Good morning, my respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today I am here to talk about a subject which is close to my heart, friendship. But before I dive into it, let me tell you something interesting. That my teachers, they are magicians. Now you might be wondering why I say that. But don't worry, I will explain. But before I explain you, let me tell you a short story. It is a story about a young boy from some your age or yours. Now this boy wrote a letter to his grandfather. But here is a twist. The boy never posted it. Instead, he took a bus, went down to the village where his grandfather lived, and read the letter aloud to him. Strange, isn't it? What's the point of writing a letter if you are reading it in person? Was his grandfather illiterate or could not read or write? But no, my dear friends. This was not the reason at all. The reason was the boy's handwriting. It was too awful that no one, not even his own grandfather, would have read it. Now, who's the boy? Good question. The boy is, my dear friends, no one other than the one who is speaking to you, Shreejit Jha. Now you get why I tell my teachers magicians as they read through my handwriting and give me marks. I also admit that they check my copy at last. And there is also a student whose handwriting is worse than mine. His name is Prakhar. And to my great shock, Prakhar and mine, both of us handwriting has improved according to this year and compared to last year. And I thank my patient teachers and bow down in front of them to their patience too. Now you might be thinking, how is this story of handwriting related to friendship? Actually it is. As the one who taught us handwriting and made us to improve is our closest and dearest friend, Shreejit Jha. He taught us some tips and tricks that made us to improve our handwriting. This is the point where friendship lies. Friendship is not just gossiping with friends, having lunch, having dinner, having fun. It is, but not the full. A good friend helps another friend to grow and help them succeed in their life. Like Shreejit Jha helped me and Prakhar to improve our handwriting. If you can remember, day before yesterday, we went to Mandavani. There we made lots of friends. But you know why? Because we feel a responsibility for them to help them succeed in their life, as we are fortunate to do so. Empathy and compassion. These two values have been taught in our school. And if we adopt these two values, we are going to be a better versions of ourselves and the best people in the world. A person. As Peter Singer says, we are a rainbow race. So let us all concentrate on becoming better versions of ourselves, also being a good person. As a good person attracts another good person into their life, and also becoming empathetic and compassionate. That will equally make us a good friend and also a good human being. And a good human being is equivalent to a good friend. Now you might be thinking how? As if a good human being can help another person in trouble or problem, then why cannot a friend? That means a good human being is equivalent to a good friend. So now we all can promise to become a better person, and to become a kind of friend that makes the world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreejit. It was